Alright, so we're gonna have to get this old carburetor off here. There we go. And then we got this carburetor. We know it's gonna work. And then
I would say we know it's gonna work.
It did run. So this
I think
one.
we're gonna go with no gasket on this one. Oh, stop moving
I
it.
think we need a gasket. Anyway, so I gotta put this starter in. I had to take this out of my other truck. So yeah, we're gonna have to put a starter in and then figure out a way to hook up a battery. I don't even know where the, oh, here's the terminal. So here's one end of the terminal. And then the other one, this one goes to the starter. Yeah, okay, so you can see right down in there, there's no starter at all. Alright, so we got the carburetor swapped, and then we got a battery and the starter cylinder mounted. And then starter's down there, so I guess we're gonna try to jump it off with a screwdriver now. Good?
Yeah.
Let's see if it turns over. I think we'll go. Alright, so I guess we need some kind of gas now, and then it'll probably start.
Gas and that.
Gas, and it has spark.
This is all brand new in here. So somebody tried to get it right.
We got a new set of points. We had this cranking earlier on the old starter that didn't really work without a without spark plugs, but it was sparking. So we know we have a spark. We have one spark plug wire that's not attached. So if we can get it to at least pop off once, then yeah, then we'll switch the plug wires and maybe do a little bit more like fuel. But we'll put a little gas down the carburetor and see what happens. Okay. All right. So we got the battery hooked up. We got gas in the carburetor. So now we're gonna try to jump with a screwdriver with more power and a little bit of gas. So it wants to run. That's gonna be loud.
Yeah, I can feel wind come out of the exhaust.
All right. So we're probably gonna need to hook up a fuel line.
And fire this cylinder. I can see it. I can see the dust come out of that port, and none of the others.
So let's try it again just a little bit.
Gas came out of that.
So. Once cut the line off there and run the line into a can.
So
that's some rank gas in that tank.
Yeah, we're gonna have to add some gas to that pump, and we'll be back. So now that we know it'll run, we'll splice in this fuel pump from a fuel canister down there, and hook that fuel line up somehow. I don't know, but at least it runs. There we go. Oh, it's in gear. Mash your clutch in too.
Yeah, it's not in gear.
All right, ready? I think we need some more gas. I'm gonna throw a little gas down in it.
Well, I'm going to shift your water pouring out of it. That's not good.
Alright, so we're not even gonna bother with this. Oh, that was funny. Alright, ready? Come on. Here we go again. Get some gas in it. Alright, ready? There. I don't know, just get it to go, and it's still bumping gas. Come on. have gas now, I think. I don't know. Alright. Try it again.
I'm not sure that starter's kicking out.
What do you mean? I don't know, I'm not with starter cool, I guess. Alright, so let's try this again. We're gonna do it. Ready? You're gonna feed gas at the same time.
Go.
You need to feed gas at the same time.
Go. Fuel.
Yeah, all the smoke. There we go.
Go.
Well, that's the best fire we've had out of it.
Yeah.
Let's try it again, actually. It's just... Well, it's got a giant vacuum on the back of the motor that's just sitting there.
I can hear it sucking.
Alright, well, let's count some vacuums, and that's probably part of the reason. I didn't notice that vacuum in the back.
I knew there would be some vacuum leaks because that carburetor seal.
But
Where's the big vacuum?
in the back of the intake, I knew it.
Oh,
I
yeah,
because it
that's
wasn't like
it.
that on my truck. So, all right, let's count that. All right, so let's see if I can. All right, so we got that vacuum line in the back fixed. Well, not fixed, but hacked together what it should run.
Just get a square bolt.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Throttle. There's the gas in it.
Go.
Throttle.
No. Yeah, this is.
Do not break the throttle.
Gas.
Let's
bigger hole.
go a little bigger hole in the top of that.
I know. I was gonna do that, but you kept hitting the starter. I was like,
So yeah, it definitely had to get this thing to run. And there's no water in the radiator, so we're gonna have to. We're only gonna let it run for a little bit, but then we'll put some water in it.
go.
All right. I think it's too much fuel.
Yeah, hit it. I'll suck it out. Go.
Way too much fuel.
I know. That the hole's too
You
big.
blew the hole like.
Here, hit it again. That and it close.
On. Ah, this is crappy.
Stop, dude. I had to let it stop all the way. You gotta jump start it.
Probably. Alright, ready? Might be.